salvation. I am an angel of God. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jonah Mayes Hernan.
Uy, Mary, nakong sa magkadara at abangin ko dito, Pasagdai lang siya, Marta. Naminaw man siya sa ako, Mas bulahan siya kay siya nakadungog sa ako ang mga pulong.
My name is Martha. My name is Mary. We love you in the love of the Lord. I am the wife of Abraham, and this is my son, Isaac. And God will bless our family.
I, Moses, raised the waters divide to my people.
Ako si Abed. Ako si Cain. Kami ang anak ni Adam at Eva.
I am Queen Esther, the one who saved my people from genocide.
I am Queen Esther, called by God to save Persian people. I am Eunice Lutrania, representing Queen Esther.
I am the mother of Jesus Christ, and I am the wife of Joseph. I am Maria, and I am Princess Lorraine Akin. I am from the Digos Local Church, and I am representing Maria, the Virgin Mother.
Shalom, peace be with you.
Greetings.
I am Rachel. I am Mary. And I am Hannah. I am a woman of strong faith and unwavering determination. I am a daughter of Laban and beloved wife of Jacob. I am Mary, a humble servant of the Lord and blessed mother of Jesus, the Son of God. My soul magnifies the Lord, for He has done great things to me. Once again, I am Mary, a humble servant of the Lord. I am Hannah, a woman of Israel, the wife of Elkanah. The Lord gave me a son, Samuel, whom I joyfully dedicated to Him. My heart rejoices, for the Lord is faithful to those who trust in Him. Once again, I am Hannah, a woman of faith. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jose. I am the only husband of Mary, and I am working as
carpenter.